to know why? Watch and enjoy.
Sevak, what good news have you brought to us?
Maharaj, with the blessings of Almighty, you are blessed with 4 sons.
Oh, what a great news! You have filled my heart with happiness. Here, take this gift.
Thank you, Maharaj.
Mahamantri, announce the news to the world. Let the country celebrate this occasion. Let special pujas be performed at temples. Feed the poor, give gifts to everyone.
Your wish is our command, Maharaj.
Oh, I am so happy.
Blessings to you, my son.
Let the celebrations begin.
రివ్వున ఎగిరే గువ్వ నీ పరదును వెక్కడికమ్మ మనసును తెలిసిన పువ్వ నీ నవ్వును దెబ్బడి అమ్మ నీ రాజు ఎవరంటా ఈ రోజే చెప్పనంటా అల్లిర పిన్నకు లేదు వెయ్యాలకు వెళ్ళుతాడు ఓలు రేపే జరిగిన ఎడిపారు ఎవరే వారు చొక్కని రాముడు వేడు నీ మనసుకు మొగుడుతాడు నీ ఆడిన బదలిన ఆకిరిలో ఎదిరే కాడు ఆ కృష్ణుడి అంశుడవి నీ వేకుడి కళ్ళే పుట్టాది గోపికలే వస్త్రే అది పరిగెత్తాది మూంగలసని కింద నీ కడుపును తొలిపి తుడతాది కుదురుగా పుట్టుని తెరికేడతాది కొడవందు బాధకు వెళతమ్మా ఆడవా పాలకోవా గిరే గోవా నీ పరదలు ఎక్కడికమ్మ మనసును తెలిసిన పువ్వ నీ అవ్వలు ఎవ్వరి అమ్మ నీ రాజు ఎవరంటా ఈ రోజే చెప్పనంటా అల్లిన పిన్నకు లేదు వెయ్యాలకు వెళ్ళుతాడు ఒక రేపే జరిగిన ఎడిపేలో ఎవ్వరి వారు చొక్కని రాముడు వీడు నీ మనసుకు మొగుడుతాడు నీ ఆడిన బెదిరిన ఆకిరిలో ఎదిరే కాడు ఆ కృష్ణుడి అంశుడవి నీ వేకుడి కళ్ళే పుట్టాది గోపికలే వస్త్రం అది పరిగెత్తాది మూగనసలి కింద నీ కడుపుల తొడిపి తుడతాది కుదురున పుట్టుని తెరికేడతాని కొడవందు బాగుగా వెళతమ్మా అడవా పాలకోవా కొడవందు బాగుగా వెళతమ్మా అడవా పాలకోవా రివ్వున ఎగిరే గువ్వ నీ పరదులు ఎక్కడికమ్మ మనసును తెలిసిన పువ్వ నీ అవ్వులు ఎవరమ్మ నీ రాజు ఎవరంటా ఈ రోజే చెప్పనంటా నీ రాజు ఎవరంటా ఈ రోజే చెప్పనంటా నీ రాజు ఎవరంటా ఈ రోజే చెప్పనంటా
Hello? Oh, I'm afraid. Run away, run away. Why? Why? Sage Vishwamitra is coming. Oh, he's a good sage. Yes, but he gets very angry. Don't worry, he has come on God's will. Oh, why? To bless our father. Let us watch what happens.
Vishwamitra, our kingdom is blessed to have him. Today is an auspicious day. Please receive him with full respect. Let the Purna Kumbha be made ready. Mahamantri, come, let us go and welcome him.
Your wish is my command, Maharaj. Let us go and welcome sage Vishwamitra.
Oh sage, welcome, welcome, welcome. We are blessed with your presence.
O great king, rule in peace, prosperity and with power. My blessings to you and your countrymen. Wish you all success.
Please take your seat. Oh sage, is there something which I can do for you? Please let me know. I am ready to give anything as per your wish.
Dasratha, I am planning to do a long penance in the forest. I need your son Rama to protect my penance.
Rama? My son Rama? Oh sage, he is a small boy and he is fully not trained in warfare. I will send my entire army. My fleet will protect you. Please do not ask Ram.
Dasratha, you said you will grant my wish. Now you are refusing? This is not a right attitude of a good king. Send Rama with me.
Oh sage, you ask my heart in a plate. I will give. Ram is a Bala. How can I send him to fight with Rakshasa? I will come with you to protect your penance. Everyone calls me Dasrath as I can drive my Rath in all 10 directions. I will ensure your penance is fully protected from any evil force on earth.
Dasrath, stop your bluffing. I did not need you nor your fleet. You have failed to keep your word. I will leave this court this minute.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. O sage, please wait. I will talk to Dasharatha. Oh King Dasharath, please listen to me. You have underestimated Rishi Vishwamitra. He is a great warrior. He has the full knowledge of celestial weapons. He can take care of his penance himself. He has come here with great love to give the full knowledge of celestial weapons to Rama. Please send Rama and Lakshmana along with the sage. Great success and fame awaits your son.
My apologies. I will send Ram and Lakshmana along with the sage. Sevak, rush and bring Ram and Lakshmana to the court. O sage Vishwamitra, I give my sons to you. You are his father, mother and everything. I handed over my life in your hands. Please take good care of them.
O king, I will take good care of them. Be at peace. You will see the fame of your sons live till the existence of this galaxy.
Rama, Lakshmana, please go with the sage and execute any command of the sage.
Your word, our command, dear father.
Blessings to you, my sons. Ram, Lakshman, please receive the celestial weapons. They will be on your side and will obey your will.
We are blessed, O great sage.
These are mantras to overcome hunger and sleep. You will achieve great success with these weapons.
We are blessed, O great sage. O sage, why is this forest so dried up and become like a desert?
Rama, this forest was once a beautiful place. A demon called Tadaka is living in this forest. She has completely destroyed this forest. You need to kill her to bring back the grace to this forest. I smell human. I want to eat them. Rama, there comes Tadaka. Kill her.
O great sage, she is a woman. Is it dharma to kill a woman?
She is a demon and she has destroyed a number of good people. You need to kill her. Don't wait. Kill her.
As you wish, my guru.
Oh! Ah! Good work, Ram. You have brought peace to this place.